Hi everybody, good morning. I hope that everything is okay with you and your family. It's time to continue con the week number 11. For today, I bring a motivational phrase. Always believe in yourself, even in the darkest moment. Siempre cree en ti, incluso en los momentos más oscuros. If you can be here after that, you are going to find some motivational phrases, but this caught my attention. Okay, well, students, to continue, we have the learning objective. Students will understand that to solve problems of daily life related to social, environmental, economic, cultural issues, among others, it is necessary to apply logical, creative, critical, and complex reasoning strategies, and communicative or ideas in an assertive way to act with autonomy and independence. Okay? The topic for this week: what are people doing to help the environment? Here I put a picture. Protecting the earth is about protecting us all. Okay, the value of the week: tolerance and empathy. First, we are going to listen a video about the tolerance, okay? Okay, this was a short video about the tolerance. You have to pay attention with this video because you have to do an activity with this. Now, we are going to listen and watch the video about empathy. Okay, this was the videos about tolerance and empathy. Estos dos valores debemos practicarlos. Tolerancia, ser tolerante con otras personas, con otras costumbres. Empathy, ponerse en los zapatos de otras personas, entender cómo se siente. Okay, I hope that you could apply in your real life. Okay, what is activity? Activity number 1. Write with your own words what is tolerance and empathy. Here you have to write tolerance is, empathy is. In this activity, ustedes van a poner con sus propias palabras qué es para usted tolerancia y qué es empatía. En inglés. Okay, now you are going to watch this video about environmental issues and think, what are the main problems that the world faces in terms of environmental issues? Write 5 of them and underline the 2 that need to be solved most urgently. Ok, ustedes van a observar un video acerca de los problemas del medio ambiente y piensan, ¿cuáles son los principales problemas que el mundo está enfrentando en términos de contaminación ambiental? Usted va a escribir 5 problemas y va a subrayar 2 que necesitan ser resueltos de manera urgente. Go ahead to watch the video. Ok, I'm gonna explain you in Spanish. Les voy a explicar en español. Yo he buscado un video en el que ustedes tienen el top 10 de 10, ¿verdad? El top 10. 10 problemas que afectan a nuestro planeta. De esos 10, you have to choose 5. Usted tiene que escoger 5. Y de esos 5, usted tiene que subrayar 2. ¿Cuáles son los que necesitan, pero de manera urgente, ser resueltos? ¿Ok? Now, activity number 3. Read the passage. After that, answer the following questions. You have to read. I am going to read with you now. And after that, you have to answer some questions. Okay. From Dam to Ness. Versova Beach in Mumbai. India recovered its beauty after 2 years of people cleaning up trash. Afroz Shah had gone back to his town and saw his favorite beach covered with garbage. At first, he was cleaning all alone, and then a group of volunteers joined him. He collected 13,000 kilograms of debris during the time of the campaign. Now, marine turtles nest and hatch there. Okay? Now, you have to answer these questions about the passage. First, how did Versova Beach recover its beauty? B. What did Afroz Shah collect during the time of the campaign? C. What do marine turtles do at the beach now? Ok, después de que leíamos el pasaje que está en la lectura anterior, ustedes tienen estas 3 preguntas, las cuales deben ser contestadas. Ok, students, that's all for today. Don't forget that you have to copy the activities in a sheet of paper and keep them in your portfolio. Recuerden, estudiantes, no olvidar que deben copiar las actividades en una hoja de papel y guardarlas en su portafolio. Thanks for your attention. See you next week.